This is IFV, the web space with your dose of business and financial news. In full view, we're making your business our business.
Welcome to In Full View. I'm Marcella Palmer, bringing you the week's medium and small business news. This week, we're talking to Ben Engber, founder and CEO of Brooklyn, New York-based Thumbtack Technology, a top software development services company specializing in e-commerce systems like media commerce, paywalls, and ad tech. We'll also hear from Thumbtack's head of sales, Mark Leibowitz. They have the latest on the quickly growing, complex tech solutions behind social media.
At the basic level, somebody wants to put up a website, and this is something that, there's a million companies out there, lots of people can do it. But then at sort of the next level of complexity, people want to put together, a website, mobile apps, back office things. They want to integrate with Apple. They want to have really analyze the data that's coming in. The applications are getting more sophisticated, and they start to discover that some of the, just agency companies that can throw together a website can't really give them an end-to-end solution. And that's where Thumbtack comes in. We can sort of take things to that next level and provide the full application stack solution for these problems. The major areas we do it are in media commerce and paywalls, various other types of e-commerce systems, and ad tech are our main focus areas. Well, the fact that technology is changing so quickly is actually central to what we do well. We started early on with the idea of building really highly scalable applications, which just meant serving a large volume of users. And that was a niche service, 4 or 5 years ago. Now everybody wants to do it. As social technologies come into play, everybody wants a social solution. People want to do more than simply send something to Facebook. They want to have their own social technology in place. And as you go social, it means you're moving from your user base to their friends of friends. You're talking about millions and millions of people, even in the smallest scenario. And along with this comes complicated technical challenges and even more complicated challenges of analyzing the data and understanding who is sharing with whom and what you're doing. And that's fit in just perfectly with our business model.
One of the things that makes us very unique is the fact that we also consult on the roadmap strategies for a lot of these organizations. So a lot of the times when we're out there speaking to our customers, the customers are coming back to us and saying, well, we need help. We have a general idea, but we don't know exactly what direction to go in. Can you help put together a roadmap strategy for us? Can you help us select the technologies, select the right path to go down? So that's actually part of our practice as well. We do a lot of business analysis and discovery work and helping lay the foundation on what needs to be built before you could actually move into the process of doing the building and the architecture and so forth.
How each company works to monetize this depends on what they're trying to do. And so whereas the New York Times might be able to set up a paywall for millions of people, smaller publishers are going to have to come up with a different model, probably focusing more on social features or user engagement. And it's really a case-by-case decision. But I think the central message here is that it's time to sort of move away from just throwing content up on the web and hoping someone finds it, hoping it goes viral, and coming up with a coherent strategy for making sure the content is discovered and making sure people can interact with it and share it and monetize it appropriately.
If technology is used properly, it becomes a very, very powerful value proposition for your organization. I think the companies that are a better fit for a company like Thumbtack and that we would embrace and would embrace us as those that believe that technology is their advantage and that believe in owning their own technology solutions is the way to go.
One area where smaller or startup companies can really differentiate here is the larger, especially larger media companies. It's not that they're doing the wrong thing, but it's that they have a brand, a huge brand that they've invested in and need to maintain. And smaller companies can be nimble, try more things, take more risks, and there's a lot more technology that everybody knows about, but only sort of a young, nimble company can take on.
That's all for this week. From the IFV News team, thanks for joining us. Be sure to check back every day right here at ifvnews.com for the latest on what's happening around the globe in the medium and small business world.